Rich Steeves here at ITEXPO 2013, Las Vegas. Joining me now is Eric Weiss. He's the Vice President of Marketing at Axcient. Eric, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us, Rich.
So for those of our viewers who might not be familiar with Axcient, tell us a little bit about the company.
So Axcient provides an entirely new type of cloud platform that eliminates data loss, eliminates downtime, and ensures that IT infrastructures never go down for businesses around the world.
So you mentioned cloud. Cloud is a hot topic here at ITEXPO. It's something that we in the technology space talk about a lot. But I think sometimes we talk about it so much that we might lose sight of what exactly cloud is. So what do you see as some of the myths and misconceptions about the cloud?
There are a few myths and misconceptions about the cloud. First of all, people think, especially us technophiles, that everything's moving to the cloud immediately. Well, these trends never happen. These transitions never happen as quickly as we think. They take time. People are looking for a 5-10x ROI for their migration of an application or system to the cloud. That's first. And second, people think that a cloud application or moving data to the cloud automatically means it's safe and protected from data loss and downtime. And in fact, that's not necessarily the case. Many times cloud providers have outages themselves, or they recover back to data that's days or weeks old. And so you need to make sure your information is protected. The last myth I would point out is that people often think that the cloud's benefit is primarily around being a dumb, low-cost storage target, when in fact its potential is much, much more.
So that brings me to another question, another thing that we think about. You deal with a lot of companies that are either migrating to the cloud or considering it. What's driving them to move to the cloud?
We at Axcient are seeing a number of reasons why people are moving to the cloud. First of all is distributed access. The fact that with the cloud, if you connect anywhere, you connect everywhere. And so, for example, one customer, we had an asset management firm that was underwater in Manhattan, was able to access all their information, keep their business up and running from Pennsylvania, of all places, because they had that remote distributed access. Second, innovation. The cloud can be a platform for innovation. We were able to roll out, just in the past year alone, 200 new features because we used the cloud as an innovation platform. Next is resiliency. By using the cloud, you as a business can depend on your provider to enable you to achieve a compliance and resilience in SSAE data centers and offload that concern to somebody who knows how to deal with those compliance resiliency issues. The last thing I would also point out is the cloud gives you flexibility. So we're seeing, in fact, a trend, a seismic shift away from replicated data centers to basically virtual data centers on demand. So by enabling companies to virtualize their entire IT infrastructure with a few clicks of a mouse in less than 5 minutes enables them to achieve great flexibility and convert a fixed cost, a data center investment, into a very flexible operating cost that is pay as you go. And that is very appealing to businesses today.
Eric, a lot of great information about a topic that is near and dear to us at TMC and to our viewers. Tell us, if we want to know more about your company, where can we find you?
Well, the best place to go is our website, is axcient.com, axcient.com, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that people have. Thank you.
Great, Eric, thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Rich.